Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a quant puzzle. Puzzles are like regular quant questions only. Only thing is there is a story in the question. We need to identify the concept behind the story. In almost all entrance examinations, competitive examinations, campus recruitment tests, we find these puzzles. In today's puzzle, we have a question on number of roads that are connecting these towns. Let's see this. So this is the question. Can you please pause the video, read the question, make an attempt, and then continue watching this? Because while solving these puzzles, you develop not only the concepts, you also develop the problem solving skills which is required for all these competitive examinations, right? Okay, please attempt it first. Okay, around the city of Hyderabad, 12 satellite towns are being developed. These 12 towns are grouped into 4 zones of 3 towns each. These towns are connected by new roads such that every 2 towns are connected by 3 direct roads if they belong to the same zone, and with only 1 direct road otherwise. Otherwise means if they don't belong to the same zone, that is outside the zone. How many direct roads are there? 90, 144, 216 and 108. Let's see. We have 12 towns here which are divided into 4 zones, say first zone, second zone, third zone and fourth zone. Now within a zone, between 2 towns we have 3 roads. A and B are connected by 3 roads, A and C are connected by 3 roads, B and C also are connected by 3 roads. So that means how many roads are there between the towns within a zone? There are 9 roads. Similarly, there will be 9 roads here. There will be 9 roads in the third zone, 9 roads in the fourth zone. Total 9 fours, 36 roads will be there. Within these 36 roads are the internal roads within a zone. But then every 2 towns are connected by 3 roads if it is within the zone, by 1 road if it is outside the zone. That means A and D will be connected by a road, A and E, A and F. So outside this first zone there are 9 towns. All these 9 towns should be connected with A, so that means there will be 9 roads that will connect A with outside the zone. Similarly, B will be connected by 9 roads with 9 towns outside the zone. Similarly, C will be connected by 9 roads. So there will be 27 roads which are external to the zone. Let's come to second zone, that is town D. D will also have 9 roads connected externally to the zone. But out of these 9 roads that D will have, because there are 9 towns outside, there are 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. With the first zone 3 towns, already we have counted this. When we say AD, BD, CD, where we already counted 3 roads that are connecting D. So if you count again 9 for D, these 3 roads are counted 2 times. We should not. That's the reason we should only count 6 more roads, because 3 roads are already counted here with the first zone. So with the third zone 3 roads, with the fourth zone 3 roads, total it will be 6 roads. Similarly, E also will be connected by 9 roads, but 3 roads already counted, 6 more we should count. F also connected by 9 roads, 3 already counted, so 6 more I should count, so 18 here. Same is the case with G. G will be connected by 9 roads externally. Out of this, the 3 towns here and 3 towns, 6 towns, 6 roads are already counted in this 27 and 18. I should only count 3 more that are connecting to the fourth zone. Similarly, H 3 roads, I 3 roads, 9 roads. Coming to fourth zone, this town J will be connected to 9 towns externally, but all those 9 towns, 9 roads are counted, because when you count 9 for A, AJ is one of them. When you count 6 for D, again DJ is one road. Similarly, when you count 3 here, GJ is one road. Like that, for every town, it is already counted. You should not count anything more here. So that's the reason we should only count 27. I'm not giving anything more here. So 27 plus 18 plus 9. So it will be 54 roads which are external roads between a town in one zone to the other zones there. So it will be 36 internal roads within the zone, 54 external to the zone. Total 90 roads are there. Total number of roads are 90. That is our answer. It is choice A. Yes, you can see here choice A is 90. Like this, we get puzzles solving these puzzles, as I said, will help your problem solving skills. At regular intervals, I'll be uploading these puzzles under the a playlist called puzzles. Please keep watching these videos. Thank you.